Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about type 4 of Fourier series. Type 4 is in the interval minus L, L. The first one is half range Fourier cosine series are even. So here the formula is A0 is equal to 2 by L into integral of 0 to L into f of x into dx. An is equal to 2 by L into integral of 0 to L f of x into cos n pi x by L into dx, and Bn is equal to 0. Therefore, f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L. And next one is half range Fourier sine series are odd. Here a0 and an is 0. And Bn is equal to 2 by L into integral of 0 to L f of x into sin n pi x by L into dx. Therefore, f of x equal to summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity Bn sin n pi x by L. And the last one is, it is neither even nor odd. Here a0 is equal to 1 by L into integral of minus L to L f of x into dx. An is equal to 1 by L into integral of minus L to L f of x into cos n pi x by L into dx. Bn is equal to 1 by L into integral of minus L to L f of x into sin n pi x by L into dx. To find whether the given f of x is even or odd or neither even nor odd, click the link in the description or click the I symbol in the right corner of this video. So the first question is, expand f of x equal to x minus x square as a Fourier series in minus L less than x less than L. Here f of x is x minus x square. Substitute x is equal to minus x. Therefore, f of minus x equal to minus x minus x the whole square. Here minus x the whole square is x square. Therefore, minus x square. Here take minus as common. Therefore, minus of x plus x square. Here f of x is not equal to f of minus x, and also f of x is not equal to minus of f of minus x. Therefore, it is neither even nor odd function. Therefore, a0 is equal to 1 by L into integral of minus L to L f of x into dx. Substitute f of x equal to x minus x square. So, integration of x is x square by 2 and integration of minus x square is minus x cube by 3 to the interval minus L to L. Substitute L and minus L here. Therefore, 1 by L into L square by 2 minus L cube by 3 minus L square is L square minus L cube is minus L cube. So, minus into minus plus L cube. So, then multiply with minus. Therefore, minus L square divided by 2 minus L cube divided by 3. Here plus L square by 2 and minus L square by 2 gets cancelled, and here it becomes minus 2 L cube divided by 3. Here L and L gets cancelled, therefore minus 2 L square divided by 3. This is a0. Then an is equal to 1 by L into integral of minus L to L f of x into cos n pi x divided by L into dx. Here f of x is x minus x square. So here u is equal to x minus x square and integral of dv is equal to cos n pi x divided by L. So differentiate u and integrate v. Therefore, u1 is equal to 1 minus 2x and u2 is equal to here minus 2 and u3 is 0. We have to find until v2. Here integral of cos n pi x divided by L is sin n pi x by L, and coefficient of x is n pi divided by L. Therefore, divided by n pi by L. And again v1 is equal to sin of integration of sin x is minus cos x. Therefore, minus cos n pi x divided by L divided by n pi divided by L the whole square. Again, if we integrate cos, it becomes sin. Therefore, minus sin n pi x divided by L divided by n pi by L the whole cube. The formula is uv minus u1 v1 plus u2 v2. So, therefore, an is equal to 1 by L into x minus x square into sin n pi x divided by L divided by n pi by L plus 1 minus 2x into cos n pi x by L into divided by 1 n pi by L the whole square plus 2 into sin n pi x by L divided by n pi by L the whole cube to the interval minus L to plus L. So, substitute L and minus L. When we substitute L, it becomes sin n pi. Here also sin n pi. Sin n pi is 0. Then cos n pi. Here L and L gets cancelled. Therefore, cos n pi is minus 1 the whole power n. Again, if we substitute minus L, cos n, again cos n pi into minus L divided by L, which is cos of minus n pi L. Minus cos of minus x is cos x. Therefore, plus term and minus term gets cancelled. Therefore, an is 0. And bn is equal to 1 by L into integral of minus L to L f of x into sin n pi x divided by L into dx. Here f of x is x minus x square. Here take u is equal to x minus x square and integral of dv is sin n pi x divided by L. So differentiate u until u becomes 0. Here v is equal to integration of sin is minus cos s. Again integration of cos x is sin x. Again integration of sin is minus cos x. So minus into minus plus. Therefore cos n pi x divided by L divided by n pi by L the whole cube. So use formula uv minus u1 v1 plus u2 v2. Therefore bn is equal to 1 by L into minus of minus x square into cos n pi x divided by L divided by n pi by L plus 1 minus 2 is sin n pi x by L divided by n pi by L the whole square minus 2 into cos n pi x by L divided by n pi by L the whole cube to the interval minus L to L. When we apply L, it becomes cos n pi. Therefore cos n pi is minus 1 the whole power 1. Here sin n pi is 0 and again cos n pi is minus 1 the whole power n. So substitute L and minus L. So cos of minus x is cos x and sin of cos of minus x is again here cos x. Here minus term and plus term gets cancelled. Here also minus and plus term gets cancelled. Therefore bn is equal to 0. Therefore f of x equal to minus 2 L cube divided by a naught by 2. Therefore minus 2 L cube divided by 3 into 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Therefore minus L cube by 3. This is the answer. Next question is obtain the Fourier series of the function given by f of x equal to 1 plus 2x by L to the interval minus L less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0 and 1 minus 2x by L to the interval 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to L. So here substitute x is equal to minus x. Therefore it becomes 1 minus 2x by L and minus L less than or equal to minus x less than or equal to 0 and 1 minus of 2 into minus x is 1 plus 2x by L to the interval 0 less than or equal to minus x less than or equal to L. It can be written as 1 minus 2x by L to the interval 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to L and 1 plus 2x by L minus L less than or equal to x less than or equal to 0. This is same as fx. Therefore f of x equal to f of minus x. Therefore f of x is even. So the formula is f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x by L and bn is 0. So a naught is equal to 2 by L into integral of 0 to L into f of x into dx. Therefore 2 by L into integral of 0 to L 1 minus 2x by L into dx. So integration of 1 is x and integration of 2x is 2x square by 2 into L. Here 2 and 2 gets cancelled and apply 0 on L. Therefore 2 by L into L minus L square by L. Here if we solve this we get a naught equal to 0. And an is equal to 2 by L into integral of 0 to L into f of x into cos n pi x by L into dx. Here f of x is 1 minus 2x by L. Here u is 1 minus 2x by L. Integral of dv is cos n pi x by L. So differentiate u, integrate v. Therefore u1 is equal to find u until u becomes 0. So therefore u1 is equal to minus 2 by L. Here integration of cos is sine and sine integration of sine is minus cos x. So therefore use the formula uv minus u1 v1. Therefore a1 is equal to 2 by L into 1 minus 2x by L into sin n pi x by L into n pi by x L minus 2 by L into cos n pi x divided by L divided by n pi by L the whole square to the interval 0 to L. Apply L and 0. When you apply L, it becomes sin n pi. So sin n pi is 0. Here cos n pi is minus 1 the whole power n. And minus of sin 0. When we apply 0, sin 0 is 0. And here cos 0 is 1. Therefore cos n pi is minus 1 the whole power n and minus of cos 0 is 1. Take 2 by L into 1 divided by n pi by L the whole square is common. Therefore minus 1 the whole power n plus 1. It can be written as 1 minus of minus 1 the whole power n. Here 2 into 2 4 and L into L square. Here take L to numerator. Therefore L square divided by n square pi square. Here n square and L square gets cancelled. Therefore a n is equal to 4 divided by n square pi square into 1 minus 1 the whole power n. then f of x equal to, therefore f of x equal to summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity. Here a naught is 0, therefore only an, therefore 4 divided by n square pi square into 1 minus 1 the whole power n. This is the answer. Here the next question is, find the Fourier expansion of f of x equal to 1 minus x square in the interval minus 1 comma 1. Here if substitute x is equal to minus x, therefore 1 minus of minus x the whole square. So 1 minus x square. Here f of x equal to f of minus x. Therefore f of x is an even function. Therefore bn is equal to 0. Therefore a formula is f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x by l. Here for l it is given as minus 1 comma 1. Therefore substitute minus 1 comma 1. Therefore f of x equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity. Here substitute L is equal to 1. Therefore a n cos of n pi x, and a naught is equal to 2 by L into integral of 0 to L into f of x into dx. Here L is 1. Therefore 2 by 1 into integral of 0 to 1. 1 minus f of x is 1 minus x square into dx. So integrate. Integration of 1 is x and x square is x cube by 3. So substitute the interval 0 and 1. So 1 minus 1 by 3. If we solve this, we get a naught is equal to 4 by 3. Next a n is equal to 2 by L into integral of 0 to L f of x into cos of n pi x by L into dx. Here L is 1. Therefore 2 by 1 into integral of 0 to 1. 1 minus x square into cos n pi x into dx. Here u is 1 minus x square. Integral of dv is integral of cos n pi x. So find u until u becomes 0. Therefore differentiation of 1 minus x square is minus 2x, and again if we differentiate becomes minus 2. Here if integration of cos x is sin x and integration of sin x is minus cos x, again integration of cos x is sin x. Therefore minus sin n pi x divided by n cube pi cube. So use the formula uv minus u1 v1 plus u2 v2. Therefore an is equal to 2 into 1 minus x square into sin n pi x divided by n pi minus 2x into cos n pi x divided by n square pi square plus 2 into sin n pi x divided by n cube pi cube to the interval 0 to 1. So substitute 1 and 0. If we substitute 1, it becomes sin n pi is 0. Here cos n pi is minus 1 the whole power n. Again if we substitute 0, so it becomes 0. Sin 0 is 0 and 2 into 0 is 0, and here sin 0 also 0. Therefore minus 2 into cos n pi divided by n square pi square. Here cos n pi is minus 1 the whole power n. Therefore minus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. So minus 4 into minus 1 the whole power n divided by n square pi square. Therefore f of x equal to 2 by 3 plus summation of n is equal to 1 to infinity minus 4 into minus 1 the whole power n divided by n square pi square into cos n pi x.